Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Honda Accord 2.0 Turbo Touring. Now the 2.0 Turbo isn't in the trim, but it signifies that this Accord is the fun one. So the 2.0 Turbo is a detuned version of what is found in the Civic Type R. So the Accord Touring is actually a little bit of a sleeper. Tons of torque, tons of power, to the point where you sometimes just can't get grip. It is pretty impressive. I am 99% sure I've reviewed this car already when it was located down in Quincy, Massachusetts. But now I've created a test track here at our dealerships to kind of put these cars through their paces. I have a hill climb, I have an acceleration, I have parking lot, low speed maneuvering. So now I'm going to take this car through its paces on our test track. As stated before, 2.0 Touring, top of the line for the Accord. WeatherTech floor liners all throughout. And now that I don't have to drive these cars off property to film, I just used one screw. Beautiful interior, tons of room. Looks like the previous owner fitted it with these aluminum door sill protectors, so if somebody kicks your door, it doesn't scratch up the plastic. Actually, pretty beefy tires. What are these, 235s? Wow! Yeah, that's a good amount of tire for this car. You have your intercooler. Wow, I went Boston there. Honda sensing, forward collision warning, and all that fun stuff. Now we'll go ahead and we'll pop the hood. Which way do you go? There we go. VTEC Turbo. There is your intake. Pretty cool. There's your turbo right there, I do believe. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and check out the interior. One of the best interiors I've ever seen. Sub 100,000. Actually, I should say probably sub 50,000. Total price $36,690. This is the original window sticker on this one. 252 horsepower, 10-speed automatic. That's about the same power that my Focus ST had. Let's put that in perspective. This one's absolutely mint. 7,400 miles on the odometer. Heads-up display. Currently have it in its sport mode. You can also have normal mode and economy. But for the test track, I always like to have the cars in their sportiest setting just to kind of even the playing field. Wireless charging, NFC, so you can download stuff to your homepage. Yeah. Without further ado, oh, you also have some nice paddles behind the steering wheel. Won't really be using those today, but nice to have. Sunroof, of course. Haha, that's pretty cool. So you can't hit the 911 assist, you flip it down and push it. All right. Push button shifter. All right. Now in sport mode, it changes the suspension tuning, steering weight, and engine tuning. So throttle response, shift logic, and stuff like that. And honestly, the steering has a great weight to it. I definitely drove one of these for about an hour and loved it. Absolutely loved it. It's astonishing how good these are. And now I get why they're Car and Driver's 10 best pretty much every year. It's insane just how amazing these are. Wow. Now in the sport mode, it's a little harsh over bumps, but I'd rather have it like that to the point where you can shut it off. Now I'll go ahead, put it into economy mode. So suspension's gonna be a lot smoother. Throttle response is gonna be a lot looser in a way, a lot less sensitive. And we'll see right here over this bump. It's still a firm suspension, but it's a lot smoother over these bumps than it was before. And also, I don't know if they pump in engine noise, but it's a lot quieter. Where's the fun in that, though? I'm gonna have to create names for all of these areas. That'll be hill hold, and then the last one is hill climb. Then we have the power straight. Really, this test track tests cars in all elements of driving. It's gonna be blind corners, it's gonna be parking lot scenarios. So this will test if the transmission is up to the task. You know, because out on the main road, a car's a car, you know. Around parking lots, that's where, you know, throttle tip in gets tested. Everything gets tested on this test track. mid-corner bump. All in all, this Accord, man, they're awesome cars. Like I said, I've driven this one. This is probably the second time I've driven this one. I'm thinking we brought it up here to try to sell it up here. But first time on the test track, passed with flying colors. It's a phenomenal car. Up to the final test, the hill climb. Plenty of torque and power to bring it back home. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.